Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see this new design of crochet coaster or crochet candle holder or crochet candle coaster. So please be till the end of the video so you won't miss anything. Let's start the video. Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. This was a basic round, foundation round. Now for the second round, see we will use back thread. See this back thread of every single stitch. Okay, so we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and both stitches we are going to make in only using back thread of every single stitch. So for second round, pattern is 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and just by using back thread of every single stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. It is in that I have given very slow demonstration and quite easily I have explained it, of course with written notes. So please do refer that video, and it's quite easy to understand. See, I have completed my second round also. Now as usual we will close this round, complete this round by joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Here we are done with our 2 rounds. Now we make 30 chain crochet stitches, a chain of 30 chain crochet stitches. I'll just complete the stitches and I'll show you. See, now here I am done with my 30 chain crochet stitches. Now we are going to join our last stitch. See, now this is the stitch we started our work. Okay, from next stitch count 6 stitches, and in 7th stitch we have to join it with the slip stitch. Okay, skip 6 stitches from the stitch where we have started, and in 7th stitch make a chain crochet make a slip stitch and join that chain. So this is how you are going to make a slip stitch and join the chain. Now we will make 5 chain crochet stitches. Okay, and we will go backward. Okay, now here we joined a stitch, so we will skip one stitch behind it, back of it, and in next stitch we will make a slip stitch. Okay, now again we will make 5 chain crochet stitches. Okay, and join it with the 5th stitch, and that we will count from the joint. Here we have the joint, then from here we count 5 stitches, and in 5th stitch we will make a slip stitch and join a chain. Okay, so now we are getting that spiral. Okay, now first we made chain of 30 chain crochet stitches. Now we will make chain of 25 chain crochet, because like see 5 we have already joined. So we will make 25 chain crochet stitches. Now instead of skipping 6 stitches we will skip 4 stitch, and in 5th stitch we will make a chain crochet stitch. sorry, I'm so sorry, slip stitch. With slip stitch we will join that chain. Again we will make 5 chain crochet stitches, and behind the stitch where we join, you will skip one stitch, and in next stitch we will join it with the slip stitch. Again we make 5 chain crochet stitches, join it with the 5th stitch of other chain, counting from the joint. See, here's the joint, then we count 1 2 3 4 5, and in 5th stitch we will join it with the slip stitch. Again we are going to repeat same. Now we are going to repeat the same process all around. Now we again make 25 chain crochet stitches, join it with the 5th stitch. Skip 4 stitches and join it with the 5th stitch. Then make a 5 chain crochet stitches and go back where you have joined, 2 stitches behind, join it with the 2nd stitch. Then make 5 chain crochet stitches and join it with the 5th stitch of other chain, counting from the stitch where we have joined it. Same process we are going to do all around. I'll just complete this thing and I'll show you. Now see, this is how it is going to look after. This is like a framework. Okay, this is how it is looking. Okay. Now just insert your needle in one stitch, because now we will get new yarn. So just pull your yarn through it and make a chain crochet stitch. See, this is how you pull your yarn and make a chain crochet stitch. Now we are going to make half double crochet stitch around that chain. See, around that chain. So it's like we are hiding that chain. So now we will go on making half double crochet stitches around that chain. There is no number that 10, 20, whatever, take as much as stitches. You have to hide that chain completely. So make as much as half double crochet stitches around that chain. You will understand when that chain is like, you can't see that chain anymore. So I'll just complete this and I'll show you. See, this is how it looks. Okay. Now we are going in a spiral way. So we will start making, see, from here we have done till the last half double crochet stitch. Now we will take this in cross section. And now against this, around this chain of that 5. Now wherever we have a chain of 5 chain crochet stitches, so there we are going to make 12 half double crochet stitches in each, around each chain. So we have like 3, a set of 3 chain of 5 chain crochet stitches. So around each chain of 5 chain crochet stitches we are going to make 12 half double crochet stitches. Okay, see, here we are done with one chain. Now we will turn it around, make it upside down. Yeah, and now that chain which is coming on that circle, there we will make 12 half double crochet stitches around that chain. We have to go on turning it. So like it's in one flow we are going to make in we are going in a spiral way. We are doing same process in a spiral way. Just remember, whenever it is a chain of 5 chain crochet stitches, we are going to make 12 half double crochet stitches around each chain of 5 chain crochet stitches. And when it is a long chain, then go on making half double crochet stitches till you hide that complete chain. Okay, I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. See, here I am done with that work of yellow yarn. Okay, see how pretty it is looking. Okay, now we are going to work on the border. So what we will do, just insert your needle in any one stitch. Okay, and grab new yarn and pull it through, make a chain crochet stitch. Please ignore background noise, my kids are playing. Okay, now just remember, using only outside thread of every stitch, make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. See, I am using only outside thread of each stitch. I am not using complete stitch. Okay, so I am using outside thread to make a single crochet stitch, and it's like I am making one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, so this process like we are going to do in complete design. Okay, only while joint is coming I'll show you how to do it. It's also easy. Just remember, we are going in a spiral way, so you just don't need to cut your yarn and all. You can do it, go on doing it. So see here, now here we are coming to that joint. See, we started from here, we made one single crochet stitch in each single stitch using outside thread. Now we have come to this cross section. Now what we will do, I guess one stitch is left. I will first make a single crochet stitch in that stitch. There goes my single crochet stitch. Now see, this chain is overlapping the other one. Okay, it's crossing the other one. So when it is going down, so we have to just pull that yarn from below that stitch where it is crossing the chain. So we have to just pull it from below the stitch and again go on doing same process. Nothing is changing, all process is same. Only while cross section, when one chain is coming over other one, so we are working on the lower chain. So we will at the joint we will pull that thread yarn below that stitch and go on doing a same process. When the chain is coming above, so we have to just go on in a smooth way, and when the chain is coming under, in cross section. One will come under and one will come above it. So when it coming under, so just pull your yarn from below that stitch and again do the same in a spiral way. I'll just complete this thing. See, this is how it is going to look. See, it's already looking so pretty. Now just the last step is remaining. Can you see this yellow threads? So like it's every stitch is visible. Okay, we don't want that. So what we will do, we are going to hide that yellow threads. So we will make one slip stitch in each of that thread. See, one slip stitch in each of that thread. Sorry for the background noise, my kids are playing. See, I am making one slip stitch in each of that yellow thread, and this I am going to do all around the whole border, whole design. And this is our last step, and then we are done. So I'll just complete this and I'll show you. We are almost done. Now see, this is my final piece. Isn't it pretty? So those who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you so much. And those who have not yet subscribed, I'll request you, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lots and lots new designs, and like all the videos, as you can see, are with written notes. So quite easy to understand. Slow demonstration is given. I've explained every step. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel and you will definitely like the video. So like, comment and share, and please subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thank you for watching till end. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.